हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज चंदन सिंह। सेल्फ इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस का सीरीज चल रहा है गाइस। 50 पैसिव इंटेरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस लाया हूँ। आपको अपने आप से ये क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं और इसका आंसर देने की कोशिश करना है। हिंदी में कन्वर्ट नहीं करना है, इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश है। कोशिश करते हैं। आइए गाइस, देखिए पहला सवाल है कि इज द रूम क्लीन्ड एवरी डे? यस नो क्वेश्चन है, तो हम बोलेंगे यस द रूम is cleaned every day. Are letters delivered in the morning? Yes, letters are delivered in the morning. Is the homework checked by the teacher? Yes, the homework is checked by the teacher. Are the dishes washed after dinner? Yes, the dishes are washed after dinner. Are the streets cleaned at night? No, the streets are not cleaned at night. Is tea served in this hotel? Yes, tea is served in this hotel. Are students taught French in school? No, the students are not taught French in school. Is water supplied regularly in this area? Yes, water is supplied regularly in this area. Are invitations sent to all guests? Yes, invitations are sent to all guests. Is the garden watered daily? Yes, the garden is watered daily. Are the floors swept every morning? No, the floors are not swept every morning. Are clothes washed every Sunday? No, clothes are not washed every Sunday. Are the windows opened in the evening? Yes, the windows are opened in the evening. Is food served on time here? No, food is not served on time here. Are children taken care of properly? Yes, children are taken care of properly. अब प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस का है। Is the homework being checked by the teacher? Yes, the homework is being checked by the teacher. थोड़ा सा स्पीड बढ़ाते हैं। Are the roads being repaired? Yes, the roads are being repaired. Is the room being cleaned now? Yes, the room is being cleaned now. Are the invitations being sent to the guests? Yes, the invitations are being sent to the guests. Is the car being washed? Yes, the car is being washed. Are the flowers being watered? Yes, the flowers are being watered. Is the meeting being held in the hall? No, the meeting is not being held in the hall. Are clothes being ironed? Yes, the clothes are being ironed. Is the floor being mopped right now? No, the floor is not being mopped right now. Is a new road being built here? Yes, a new road is being built here. Past indefinite. Was the homework checked yesterday? Yes, the homework was checked yesterday. Were the dishes washed last night? Yes, the dishes were washed last night. Was the room cleaned yesterday? Yes, the room was cleaned yesterday. Were letters delivered on time? No, the letters were not delivered on time. Was the movie watched by everyone? Yes, the movie was watched by everyone. Was the thief caught by the police? Yes, the thief was caught by the police. Was the book written by him? No, the book was not written by him. Were gifts given to all children? Yes, the gifts were given to all children. Were the windows closed before the storm? Yes, the windows were closed before the storm, or the windows had been closed before the storm. Was the food served hot? No, the food was not served hot. Was the song sung beautifully? Yes, the song was sung beautifully. Were mistakes corrected by the teacher? Yes, the mistakes were corrected by the teachers. Was the work finished on time? Yes, the work was finished on time. Were the streets cleaned yesterday? No, the streets were not cleaned yesterday. Was the garden watered in the evening? Yes, the garden was watered in the evening. Future. Will the homework be checked tomorrow? Yes, the homework will be checked tomorrow. Will the room be cleaned later? Yes, the room will be cleaned later. Will letters be delivered on Sunday? Yes, the letters will be delivered on Sunday. Will the garden be watered tomorrow? Yes, the garden will be watered tomorrow. Will the food be served hot? Yes, the food will be served hot. Will the book be published next month? Yes, the book will be published next month. Will the road be repaired soon? Yes, the road will be repaired soon. Will gifts be given at the party? Yes, the gifts will be given at the party. Will the windows be closed before it rains? Yes, the windows will be closed before it rains. Will the movie be shown tonight? Yes, the movie will be shown tonight. तो गाइज ये मैंने 50 सेंटेंसेस उठाए थे और मैंने रिहर्सल किए. आप भी अकेले इसका प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. क्या फ़ायदा होता है, हम सुनते हैं और उसका आंसर देने की कोशिश करते हैं तो जुबान सेट होने लगता है और समथिंग इज़ बेटर देन नथिंग. नुकसान नहीं है, फ़ायदा ज़रूर है. तो थैंक यू वेरी मच. ऐसे वीडियोस लाता रहूँगा. थैंक यू गाइज.